Good morning parents, good morning kids, welcome to this video. So this video is all about Father's Day celebration. So this time also Einstein Kids has initiated an interesting activity for the kids to celebrate their Father's Day in a great way. So it's an interesting activity. I'll show you what you're going to do and the things needed for that. So these are the very simple activities which you can do with the things that are available at your home. So first I'll show the activities that which you need to do. So you all need is A4 sheet, a plain sheet, 3 sheets of A4 sheet, and colors, watercolors you need, and then one marker, glue, and for painting you need a brush, and then ice cream sticks, or you can also take any sticks that you have near your home, and color sheets, green color and red color, and woolen thread. If you don't have this, you can also use any thread that you have, or you can use satin ribbon. So likewise a straight thread it should be, and of course you need scissors for doing it. So first activity what you're going to do. So kids, you all love your dad, right? So we're going to show how much you love your dad. So in a sheet of paper I have written I love dad. See, in a sheet of paper I have written I love dad with pencil. So parents, kindly write and give them like this. In a sheet of paper you can write and give them like this. And for this activity what you are going to do is, this woolen thread we are going to cut into small pieces. So I already cut and kept here. So using Fevicol we are going to stick over it. So kids, you are going to stick on this. So you can measure and cut and give them. It will be easy for them to stick on the written words. So I'll take first apply glue, and then take one thread, just place it on that likewise. Same way the other side also. Apply glue and then paste it like this. So you can also use different colors, or single color itself you can use. Then for the inside, same way, apply the Fevicol like this, then place on the woolen thread on the Fevicol. So I is ready now. Next we are going to do the heart one. So apply the glue on it, and then take the woolen thread. So along the Fevicol you should go slowly stick, then only you'll get the shape properly. So stick on the heart like this. If you have extras you can cut at the last. Same way the other side also we can do. So it's a very interesting and also very easy activity where your kids can do this. And kids, I also hope you'll enjoy this. So stick on the given heart like this. So after joining you can cut this off. Once it get dried up you can cut it. It will be easy. Then last what we are going to do, we are going to stick on the dad. Same way, apply the Fevicol. Take one piece and then place on the D. Then for the curve we'll stick. Apply the Fevicol. Fevicol, and then take one thread, go through the D like this. Then A will do. If you do on different woolen threads, your dad, I love dad, will be more colorful and beautiful also. A. Likewise the other side. And inside. Then the last D we are going to do, I'll cut from this part. apply glue and stick this. And for D, I'll cut a new part from here. So we'll stick the D now. You should apply the Fevicol properly, then only you will get the written letters also in a correct shape. So stick over it. So parents, guide them while they are doing this, so it will be helpful and easy also. Now we are going to cut the extras. Once we cut it off, so when you cut after, once it get right, it will come properly. Since I am showing it now itself, it is not in a proper this one. So this one you have to cut, and everything you should cut in. When you cut all the extra pieces, it will be so neat. So you can write I love dad like this and stick the woolen thread like this. So next we'll move on to the second activity. So for that, take an A4 sheet and you need green color paper and red color sheet of paper. In green sheet, we are going to draw a shape like take a pencil, put a sleeping line like this, and then we are going to draw an ice cream. So how a chocobar ice cream will be? It will be in curve shape, right? So put a curve above like this, one big curve you have to draw. Then only it will be nice. Then come and join in the down. So likewise, it came like ice cream, right? Now take the scissor, and parents, you can cut and give them. And you can cut along the diagram. You can make it little bigger, so it will be looking good. After getting the shape, we are going to draw eyes and nose for it. So for eyes, put a circle and one more circle. You all know to draw circle. Then inside put a small circle and color it. Same way the other side, put a small circle and color it. For nose, we can put a small circle and then color it like this. Then for the mouth, how will smile? Like this, one big curve you can put. Then after this, take red color piece of paper. In this also you are going to draw a small U shape, like curve. One curve you can draw at the corner, and then you can cut this piece. So while cutting, be careful. So after cutting this piece out, we are going to make mouth for the ice cream. Done here. So apply the Fevicol and then stick it over here in the side you can put. See. And after that, for holding this, take ice cream stick, apply Fevicol here, and then take this green paper and place it like this. See, this is the second one. And after it gets dried up, you should stick on the A4 sheet, and you can tell your parents to write some quote about your father. So what we can write here? I'll write, Dad, you are the coolest. So this is the second activity. So once I get right, I'll stick and show you. So now we'll move on to the third one. So for third activity, take another A4 sheet and you need blue color crayon. So take blue color crayon. We are going to color this A4 sheet to the half. So let's see, you can draw here. You can draw like this, and then down full we are going to color. So with blue color crayons, we'll color this. So after coloring thing fully, we are going to do a printing work. So for that, take your watercolor and brush. So using your brush, you have to color your right hand. So touch with the brush, and then since I can't do in my right hand, I'll do it in my left hand. So color it likewise. All the fingers, you can use your favorite color. I have taken yellow. You can mix with the water little so that it will be more easy for you to do the printing work. So go through the fingers. You should paint everywhere, then only your print will come nicely. So after painting everywhere, you're going to print on the sheet. On the blue area only you have to do the printing. So do like this and then turn the page like fish. We are going to do a fish. Then press. Place your hand like this and then tell your parents to press. Then only the print will come properly. Now take your hand slowly. See, you should add more water, then you'll get the print more darker. So like fish it came, right? I hope you can see it. If not, you can color little like this. So if you do in a blue colored paper, it will be more darker and the print will come properly. Then after that, what we have to do, since we have drawn a fish here, we are going to draw eyes for it. So if you have eyes at your home, it will be well and better. You can take that and you can put Fevicol on it. For eyes we can use this and then you can stick it here. See, eyes came. For fish we kept the eyes. Then we'll draw the mouth for it. You can draw a small mouth like this. After drying, if you do, you can get it properly. Then for one hook I'm going to draw. You can draw a wavy hook like this. Likewise you have to draw. Little thicker one you should do. Then I'm going to write a quote about father. So related to this, we can write a quote here. What we can write? I am hooked on my dad. See, it is related to this only. No, I am hooked on my dad. So this is the third activity. So now I'll show all the activities that we did. The first one, I love dad. The second one, dad, you're the coolest. And the third one is, I'm hooked up on my dad. So these are the three activities you're going to do for your Father's Day. And parents, after doing this, tell your kids to present these activities to their father and take a photo and upload that photo in our Einstein Kids page. So this has to be uploaded on or before 15th of this month. I hope it's an interesting activity and a surprise to their father also. So kids, complete the activity and without fail upload it. Thank you.